You all have heard about EVs, right? Have you heard about the latest Lucid Air GT? No? Well, today we're going to take a tour into this luxurious EV, starting from its colorful history to its current status in electric car development. Welcome to ManaTech. Without any delay, let's jump on to the video. Lucid Motors is one of the most exciting electric vehicle EV startups to go public in 2021. Lucid Motors, formerly known as Ativa, was founded in 2007. Originally, it was a company that manufactured electric vehicle batteries and powertrains for other vehicle manufacturers. In 2016, the company changed its name to Lucid Motors and shifted its focus to developing all-electric and high-performance luxury vehicles in order to compete with leading electric vehicle manufacturers such as Tesla. Speaking of Tesla, Peter Rawlinson is the current CEO and CTO of Lucid Motors and the former Tesla Model S chief engineer who was responsible for the company's name change to Lucid Motors. After earning his degree from Imperial College of London, Peter Rawlinson worked as an engineer for Jaguar and Lotus Automobiles. He received a call from Elon Musk in 2009 while he was in another hemisphere from the United States, along with a job offer to work for Tesla. He personally interviewed a small group of 6 brilliant engineers before joining Tesla to work on building the Tesla Model S. In an interview, Rawlinson admitted that before joining Tesla, he had a low level of confidence in the viability of producing electric cars, but that after working with Musk and the Model S, he had changed his mind. In 2012, he left Tesla to care for his mother in England, and during that time, he studied the Model S's construction and gained a lot of knowledge. But a year later, he was prepared to return to work and create a better electric vehicle for Lucid Motors rather than Tesla. He received a call from Lucid Motors, which at the time was known as Ativa, asking him if he would be interested in working on an electric vehicle with them. Naturally, he agreed, but only under 2 conditions. First, he must create an electric vehicle that's better than the Model S, and second, in Rawlinson's opinion, they must change their name, which they gladly did in 2016 when they changed their name to Lucid Motors. The idea of seeing things differently and making those dreams come true served as the inspiration for the name Lucid. The company's mission is to continually push the boundaries of technology and innovation for electric vehicles, as expressed in the brand slogan, Dream Ahead. In order to best serve the needs of forward-thinking and sustainable customers, the brand has a progressive and post-luxury mindset. In 2021, the business held a global webcast from its Silicon Valley headquarters to introduce its eagerly awaited car, the Lucid Air. With its improved packaging of the entire electric powertrain, Lucid Air is anticipated to compete with Tesla's Model S. The Lucid Air is the end product of a groundbreaking method of automotive packaging known as the Lucid Space concept, which creates more compact but potent electric motors. It is the only electric sedan to complete a quarter mile in less than 10 seconds and has a record-breaking performance and range with up to 1080 horsepower. With a charging speed of up to 20 miles per minute, it is not only the world's fastest charging electric vehicle, but also the most aerodynamic luxury car. The limited edition Dream Edition of the Lucid Air made its debut. It has since sold out and the lineup is currently being expanded. By the end of the year, more affordable touring and pure trims will be added to the lineup, but the least expensive model right now is $140,500 Grand Touring. The Grand Touring model's price has since increased by Lucid to $155,650, but only for orders placed after June 1, 2022. This touring model comes in 2 variations, the Lucid Air Grand Touring and the Lucid Air Grand Touring P. Both the Air Grand Touring and the Air Grand Touring Performance are fully equipped to provide drivers and passengers with a world-class experience. To be more precise, it is a 4-door EV sedan with a luxuriously appointed interior, 819 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and the most generous estimated driving range of any EV. The Lucid's innovative battery pack of 112 kilowatt-hour capacity in the Grand Touring and super aerodynamic design, which enables it to travel up to approximately 560 miles per charge when fitted with a standard 19-inch wheels, are the most impressive aspects of this vehicle. A 21-inch wheel is an option, but it cuts the range in half to 469 miles. Efficiency has been one of the key features that has been looked for in an EV car, especially usually because of long-distance travel anxieties, and are one of the most important factors in the success of an electric vehicle. From charging speed to predicated range, everything is dependent on this important parameter. It has batteries with a capacity of 113 kilowatt-hours, which is significantly more powerful than the Tesla Model S's capacity of 98 kilowatt-hour. When it comes to the interior of this gracefully designed machine, Lucid Air has not disappointed its customers. Experts in the EV market predict that the interior of the Air GT will boost its overall sales. There are 2 screens in the car, the main one of which is a curved 34-inch display that's located in front of the driver. Compared to displays of any car you have previously seen, that widescreen has more to offer. 3 sections make up the display. The exterior lights and central locking are controlled by the left section, while the speedometer and other important vehicle data are found in the middle section. The options that are only useful for the driver, such as media information and navigation, are located in the section on the right. The company's name is displayed on a separate screen that can be found on the dashboard's lower side. They can be adjusted to control the HVAC system, drive modes, vehicle information, and seat positioning. Since it's not always in use, the extra screen can be slid back into the dashboard with a touch. In the unlikely event that the touchscreen encounters a problem, the steering wheel may also be utilized. A 900-volt charger is used by Lucid Air to charge the battery pack. According to the company, the strong batteries will charge more quickly than those of any other EV, specifically consuming enough energy to travel 300 miles in 20 minutes. A standard wall plug or charging station, also referred to as an EVSC or electric vehicle supply equipment, can be used to recharge the batteries. CCS or combined charging system is more effective for fast charging. The standard is typically followed throughout the USA. Because of its exclusive technology, the Air model has been able to accomplish its impressive range with simultaneously limiting the size of its battery, resulting in a breakthrough in total vehicle efficiency. When it comes to the battery packs in the Air, the luxury manufacturer employs cylindrical lithium-ion cells. Thermal characteristics, consistency, and dependability of the cell themselves, as well as their predictable pricing on the market, are all important considerations in the selection of units. It also implies that you're no longer restricted by the design restrictions of bigger cells. Lucid Air, in partnership with Electrify America, provides easy access to over 440 charging stations across the country. You do not, however, need to locate a public charging station as soon as the batteries run out. Lucid has 2 options for charging at home. Purchase a charging station for your home or install a high-voltage outlet in your garage. The Lucid Air Grand Touring has 800 horsepower, while the other versions of the Lucid Touring have a horsepower rating of 1080. In terms of that work, the company has not shared the torque numbers, and the Lucid official once boasted that torque numbers are useless when discussing electric vehicles. We believe that the torque capacity of EVs is sufficient to persuade you to opt for a more environmentally friendly option. In comparison to petrol or diesel cars, which are known to be slow machines, EVs can reach maximum torque instantly. Since EVs are being purchased on a large scale, it'll certainly witness the torque capacity soon on a road signal as soon as it goes green. The Lucid Air has an additional feature which I think is the coolest of them all. Lucid Air GT is equipped with bi-directional charging, which will enable vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-grid charging to be accomplished. When an electric vehicle runs out of battery, a tow truck is required because there's no realistic way to supply electricity to the car, which weighs more than 1,000 pounds on its own. So, do you like the Lucid Air GT? This machine has embodied so much of technology's elegance, efficiency, and luxury in itself that no one can be blamed for thinking it's impossible until they take a ride in it. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Signing off.